get some rain as well. My maize need it desperately. Lord, send us rain. We prayed for the rain, and the rain did come last night. And this is what happened to my maize. Lord have mercy. So up close, this is what they're doing here. Tedious work, but I appreciate that they are willing to help this way. Welcome to my slice of Africa. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bridget. If this is your first time meeting me, I'm so excited that you're here. And if you're a regular, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate your encouragement and you are most welcome. Let's get into today's video. I feel nauseous. I feel all kinds of ways looking at the result right now. But more than that, I'm feeling for the farmers who have their whole livelihood destroyed here in Zambia. Lord have mercy. Listen to those birds. These birds love my house. Too many nests in there. I love the sound that they make and just the joyful noise that they bring. You dogs are very naughty. Remember, if you've been watching me for 2 months, 3 months, you've watched 10 videos and haven't subscribed, my question is, why not? Join the family. There is so much good information here. So if you do subscribe, let me know down below and I will welcome you to the family. This side seems to have survived, but these are the ones that have no cobs on there yet. Those ones over there will be gone. What we have to try and do. It's a lot of work, but to save some of the maize, we have to lift them from the ground and put some soil around there. So I've received different pieces of advice from seasoned farmers. Some told me to leave these the way they are, and others suggested that I put soil around each stem to hold them up. And so I've opted to do that. It means more money, more time into this maize, and I pray that it will pay off, because I couldn't stand around looking at my farm that I've spent so much on, just watching it go flat like it did. So this is what the result is. I have 2 guys helping me to lift the maize up, and so I'm giving it its best. I'm giving it my best attempt to salvage this maize. Oh Lord. So up close, this is what they're doing here. It's tedious work, but I appreciate that they are willing to help this way. Otherwise, this is the close-up here. This is how low my maize fell from one storm. This is the corrected side. There's a few like that were uprooted from the roots, and we can't do anything about those. Those are lost. But the vast majority look like they'll be saved. This portion wasn't hit as badly, although there are a few here, but I think they'll do okay. If you are enjoying this video, come on now, and you haven't subscribed, why is that? Give this video a like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody else. So it's just spacing out the sweet potato vines. We'll see if we have enough for the rest of the ridges. The rest of the garden is doing pretty good. We have peanuts here and black-eyed peas over there. And we planted beans right there. What are you looking for there? So this is the final look of the farm. After a lot of work, most of my maize is standing again, but I lost a lot of maize as well. Look at that whole bunch there. Those were broken to the root, and there's a whole pile of them that we couldn't really use. It's a loss, but I'm grateful for what I have right now. Many farmers here in Zambia and many other southern African countries actually are experiencing this drought. And I was talking to somebody who's lost 4 hectares. Somebody else lost 21 hectares. That's a lot to lose in one season. So we pray for the best. Hard times all around, but God is faithful. The journey continues. Stay tuned. I added 2 new palm trees to my collection. This one over here and that one over there. That brings the total to 10 of them. Place is waterlogged. We need to do something about this. So we are digging the French drain, and this is what it looks like. It's quite deep, and this is to prevent all the flooding that has been happening. So this is about 1 meter going down. However, we found this pipe and we don't know where it goes. So we are investigating. We decided to close up the pipes because we are not sure where this whole thing is leading until we investigate another time. Here is our French drain. We're beginning to put big borders, actually brick from a destroyed building. This works very well for the French drain. I think this is going to work. Again, this is about 1 meter going down, and we're going to fill this whole area. Here's our French drain again. Big borders, and then we will put some crushed stone at the top. So I hope this system works because the flooding is really bad. There we go. Our French drain worked really well. Normally after a big storm like that, this would be very muddy, but there's no mud. So that was a perfect solution to a problem that lasted years. Just a simple French drain. That's it. Another beautiful sunset. Thank you so much for spending these few moments with me. I wish you God's blessings, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.